showing you how to use this VPN application here like a pro. So make sure to watch the full video and stay tuned. This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Down here, pretty much where you get the server, you can tap on the Netherlands option here. You can see all the free servers as well as the premium subscription servers. So as you can see, there are quite a lot of servers. So all you have to do is just go ahead and select whichever server you want to use, and you're pretty much good to go. Or you can tap on this option circle icon here to change your protocol. But I do recommend just let it stay on the default protocol. Works the same. So that's really pretty much it. To get the subscription, you have to pretty much log in into this VPN here, or you can go in the settings option and tap on the premium option here, and you can pretty much see the subscription prices. They have a monthly subscription, weekly subscription, and a yearly subscription. You do get a 3 days free trial to test out their VPN application. So that's pretty much it for that there. And once you're gonna connect the VPN, just tap on the connection button here. We'll ask for connection request. Once you tap on OK, it will be connected in no time. So very easy application to use. Servers are decent. So do comment below. Let me know your thoughts on this application here as well. If you have any problem, comment below as well. Without it, guys, see you in the next one.